Hello, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make daisies and how to connect to all in each of these. I'm using a 100% cotton yarn in a size of 3.0mm crochet hook. So first, start by making a magic ring. Then chain, and then add 12 half double crochet inside the ring. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay, once done, pull the tail, then insert your hook in the first stitch, including the tail, and make a single crochet. So we'll mark this first single crochet and then add one more, and then in the next 3, 4, and the next 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. Then after that, cut the yarn, pull up the hook, then take your darning needle and insert in the second chain, in the second stitch. Then remove the stitch marker. Then insert your darning needle at the back loop. Okay, this is the back loop only. Okay, and then hide this extra tail inside the stitches. Now let's make the petal. Insert your hook in any chain. Okay, for example in here. Then take this red yarn, make a chain, and a total of 12. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Then slip stitch in the next stitch. Okay, in the next chain or next stitch. Slip stitch, then repeat a chain of 12, and slip stitch. So I just show you how to make the other petals. So we will make 3 of this, then I will show you how to connect. Okay, so chain of 6, and then take the back of the chain. Okay, so this is 1 2 3 4 5, so we take this at the back of the chain right here, and continue, make a 7 8 9 10 11 and 12, then slip stitch on the next stitch. Then just repeat a chain of 6, then insert on this top, on here on the top, take the back chain. Okay, this is the back of the chain, and continue 7 8 9 10 11 12, slip stitch, then chain of 6, 3 4 5 6, and then 7 on this here to connect, 8 9 10 11 12, and then slip stitch. So we will take 3 of this. Okay, 3 in each of the daisies. Then take the other one, skip the 2, and then insert here. Then slip stitch and continue until to the last stitch of the round. Okay, so this is the last stitch of the round. Slip stitch and make a chain and cut the yarn. Then hide this end tail in the back of these stitches. Okay, so this is all that I made, a 21 pieces of daisies to form a triangle, but you can make more if you want. You can make a square or round. So that's it, and thank you so much for watching.